Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on a journey by train. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. In the last winter vacation, I boarded on an exciting journey by train to Ayodhya. It turned out to be one of my unforgettable experiences. The journey began with the hustle and bustle of the railway station where vendors sold snacks. I was traveling with my parents and my younger brother. We had an advance reservation, so we boarded the train on time. And took our respective berths. The train journey was filled with fun and the scenic beauty of passing landscapes. The chilly winter air added a refreshing touch to the journey as I gazed out of the window, watching villages, fields, and rivers go by. Inside the train, I had the chance to interact with our fellow passengers. They were heading to Ayodhya to explore the historical city. The train journey also allowed me some leisure time for reading. I delved into a good book. The train made brief stops at stations, providing glimpses of local life. The journey by train not only facilitated a seamless travel experience but also added a layer of shared stories. And connections that made the overall vacation truly enriching.